So now I'm making an updated video that I'm going to turn into shorts. I bought this remote and receiver. There's two receivers like 24 hours ago. It arrived in the mail. But any case, we have a couple of servers here. So channel 1 is working right there. But channel 2 is not working right now. So I was programming this. There's different ways you program it. And it just stopped working suddenly. That's channel 2. It should be moving. Also, this servo is not a good servo. This is the one I was showing in my earlier videos, and I was, trying to look into servo problems. And I came across another YouTube video where they were talking about a certain seller on Amazon was selling faulty servos. And I looked on Amazon where I bought 5 of these, and that was the seller. Their page is gone now, but I could see a history of the sale. And so just thought I would mention that update. So now, another thing I learned to do. So we got channel 1 there. Channel 2 is not working right now. I was changing settings and it stopped working. Also, that's a problematic servo. We'll look at that coming up. So what I have to do, I'm going to tie them together. So I got to hold 3 and then power it back on. And now you see 1, so that shows them tied together. If you also see 2, that means 3 and 4 are tied together. And then you just keep doing the process to keep changing it. And then you can get back. But yeah, there you can see that they're both moving now. This is definitely the better servo. You can see how much better it's moving, especially when I do that. I found out from another YouTuber that made a video years ago, the people that were selling this, the ones that I bought it from on Amazon, they were selling faulty servos. And they're no longer got a page. But any case, again, you just keep repeating the process until you clear this to set them individual again. So now in the last short, we tied together 1 and 2. That's what that little 1 means. We're going to do the same thing to tie together 3 and 4. So you hold down the number 3 button, power it back up, you hear a beep. So now 3 and 4 are also tied together. So are 1 and 2. You keep repeating the process to keep changing them. But in any case, so yeah, 3 and 4 are the buttons. I'm going to zoom back because kind of hard to see. But in case you press and hold 3, now they both move that way. Press and hold 4, now they both move that way. They're tied together. And again, that one on the left, that servo, I got it from a seller on Amazon that is gone now. Their page doesn't exist anymore. That was like 7 years ago. And they were selling faulty servos. So that's what I was using in my original videos. Didn't realize it was faulty, but I knew it was, the things were kind of wrong. You can see the difference. So in any case, you just keep repeating the process if you want to clear them out.